So, you want to buy Bitcoin, but you're not sure where to start? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's dive in. Step 1. Set up a wallet. Before you can buy Bitcoin, you need a place to store it. This is what we call a wallet. There are many types of wallets you can use, but for beginners, I recommend using a mobile wallet like Trust Wallet. It's easy to use and you can download it from the App Store or Google Play. When you set up your Trust Wallet, you'll be given a recovery phrase. This is a series of words that can be used to recover your wallet if you lose your phone or forget your password. It's crucial that you write this phrase down and store it in a safe place. Never share your key phrase with anyone or keep digital copies of it. If you lose your phone, you'll need this recovery phrase to restore your wallet and access your Bitcoin. Step 2. Choose an exchange. Next, you need to choose an exchange to buy Bitcoin. There are many options out there, but for beginners, I recommend centralized exchanges like Coinbase, Gemini, Binance, Kraken, or Bitstamp. They're user-friendly and secure, but they do require more personal information. For this guide, we'll use Bitstamp as an example. For those who value privacy and the original ethos of Bitcoin, there's Bisq. It's a decentralized, peer-to-peer platform that aligns with the original spirit of Bitcoin. It offers more privacy and control over your funds, and doesn't require any personal information or ID for registration. However, it's a bit more complex and might be a bit more expensive. So we'll save the details of how to use Bisq for another time. Step 3. Buy Bitcoin. To buy Bitcoin on Bitstamp, first, head over to their website at www.bitstamp.net. Create an account by providing some basic personal information and go through a verification process. Once your account is set up, link it to your bank account or credit card. Then, navigate to the Buy/Sell section. Select Bitcoin, enter the amount you want to purchase, and click Buy Bitcoin. The Bitcoin will then appear in your Bitstamp wallet. At this point, you have two options. You can leave your Bitcoin on Bitstamp, which is a bit like leaving your money in a bank, or you can transfer it to your Trust Wallet for more control and privacy, a bit like hiding cash under your mattress. To do this, simply select Withdraw on Bitstamp. Enter your Trust Wallet's Bitcoin address and confirm the transaction. Remember, transactions on the blockchain are irreversible, so double-check all the details before you confirm. Step 4. Secure your Bitcoin. Remember, and I can't emphasize this enough, security is crucial when dealing with Bitcoin. I've already mentioned this, but it's so important that it bears repeating. Never share your recovery phrase with anyone, and avoid keeping digital copies of it. Your recovery phrase is the key to your Bitcoin, and if you lose it or someone else gets it, your Bitcoin will be gone. And there you have it. You're now a proud owner of Bitcoin. Remember, investing in Bitcoin is a journey, and every journey begins with a single step. So, take that step today and join the crypto revolution. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more guides and tips to increase your financial literacy. We're in this journey together. Until next time.